Valentine's Day, craftsmanship. Ribbons twist and sparkle white, buttons glued with so much pride. Love known strong with red gel pens, handmade joy that never ends. Glitter flies and glue gets sticky, crafting love so wild and quirky. Every fold and every snip, Valentine's Day, craftsmanship. We don't need no fancy store, crafted love that means much more. Every heart a work of art, pieces glued straight from the heart. Sequins shine like in a dream, crafting partners make a team, laughing through the colored strands, hearts created by our hands. Glitter flies and glue gets sticky, crafting love so wild and quirky. Crafting love so wild and quirky. Every fold and every snip, every fold and those bright supplies, crafting magic, no disguise. Happy New Year, crafts abound, joy and laughter all around. With each cut and cheer we found, crafting dreams that do astound. Paintbrush dips in shades so bold, fingers sticky, stories told. Every stroke a tale unfolds, New Year magic we behold. Stickers stick with hearts so true, glitter trails like morning dew, crafting love for me and you. New beginnings, fresh and new. Piping us twist shapes divine, beats that dazzle, threads entwine.